Hey, this is Shay, and in this video I want to show you one of my Make Money online campaigns that I've had going for a while, and it's one that I actually recently just showed my students. And I really enjoy showing these campaigns to my students because it motivates them to go out there and create their own successful Make Money online campaigns. And this campaign has been doing up to $700 in a day, and it's been making money for me for almost 2 years now. So it's a really consistent income generator. But I just want to keep this video fairly short. I'm not going to go into too much detail right now, but you know what? I certainly can if you are interested, and I'm going to get into that in just a minute. So stay tuned to this video until the end. But right now, I just want to jump in to the network that I've been using to make this money online. And of course, this is just one of the networks that I use. I'd say I use certainly more than 5 at this stage. Some earning similar amounts to this one as well. Some a little bit less, but you know, when they add all up, it makes a very nice daily income. So as you can see, I'm just on the network right here, and it's just defaulted to today and yesterday. So we're in October right now, and so it's just defaulted to the 19th and back to the 18th. So today and yesterday, today's the 19th. But I just wanted to focus on the last few days. I'm just going to go back a couple more days, because had a really awesome day just the other day. And again, this is a campaign that I actually showed my students behind the scenes. Okay, so how I'm actually generating the traffic and directing it to this network to make money. So you can see in the graphs here some of the numbers. I'll go through the table as well. The red is revenue. The blue, purple color is the traffic, the visitors. This one is clicks, okay, the number of clicks. And this one here is how much I'm getting paid per click. And the money that I'm getting paid per click will certainly shock some people. And I mean, even just that concept alone, not many people even know that you can get paid for clicks. And this is something that I teach my students all the time, because when you know how to do it, it's one of the easiest money makers there is. So I just want to scroll down just a touch, just so you can see this. So just in the last 4 days, we've made just over $2,000. And again, today is the 19th. All right, so this day here, we're currently on $514.52. I'm expecting some more out of that, certainly, since we're only about halfway through the day. I've sent a little bit more traffic in the last few days to really see what this thing can do. So as you can see, 2,000, just over 2,000 already in just these few days. I also have other videos showing further back with this campaign and this network alone, but I just wanted to point out this specifically because it's really picked up. We've got a $586 day, $708 made back just a couple days ago on the 17th, $217 day, and again, so far we're in the $500 mark already, and we're about halfway through the day, just past lunch. So that's all I'm going to show in this video so far. If you want to know exactly how I am doing this, I can show you, as I do with my students right now. But just so you know, I'm only willing to work with truly serious people. And you know what? I would expect you to be reasonably serious because, for one, you've clicked on my video and you are still watching to now. That really tells me that you are looking for a way to make money online. And I can help you do it. All you have to do is take action. Click the link in the description right now. You'll see just at the top, I'll have a quick link that you can just click to get over to my site. Do that right now. Click the link, and I'm just going to jump over to my site as well so you can see. So right here on my site here, as soon as you get here, all you have to do is enter your email address, your best email, and that will get you instant access. As soon as you click the Get Instant Access button, you'll be in. Then just look out for my welcome email in your inbox. Okay, so go check your email address that you just typed in. Go look for my welcome email shortly after. I'm going to have the next step to getting started. So you can get into this right now today. So do it now, take action, click the link, enter your email address, click the access button, and I'll see you on the inside.